stand. I'll be by your side, you know I'll take your hand.
When it gets cold and it feels like the end, there's no place to go, you know I won't give in. No, I won't give in.
Keep holding on, 'cause you know we'll make it through, we'll make it through. Just stay strong, 'cause you know I'm here for you, I'm here for you. There's nothing you can say, nothing you can do. There's no other way when it comes to the truth. So keep holding on, 'cause you know we'll make it through, we'll make it through.
So far away, I wish you were here. Before it's too late, this could all disappear. Before the doors close and it comes to an end, with you by my side, I will fight and defend. I'll fight and defend.
Yeah, yeah. Keep holding on, 'cause you know we'll make it through, we'll make it through. Just stay strong, 'cause you know I'm here for you, I'm here for you. There's nothing you can say, nothing you can do. There's no other way when it comes to the truth. So keep holding on, 'cause you know we'll make it through, we'll make it through. Hear me when I say I believe nothing's gonna change, nothing's gonna change destiny. Whatever's meant to be will work out perfectly. Yeah, 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 yeah. Keep holding on, 'cause you know we'll make it through, we'll make it through. Just stay strong, 'cause you know I'm here for you, I'm here for you. There's nothing you can say, nothing you can do. There's no other way when it comes to the truth. So keep holding on, 'cause you know we'll make it through, we'll make it through. Keep holding on. There's nothing you can say, nothing you can do. There's no other way when it comes to the truth. So keep holding on, 'cause you know we'll make it through, we'll make it through.
Ang tunay na kaibigan, maaasar mo ng sobra-sobra, pero nagtatampo din yan. Ang tunay na kaibigan, tatawanan ka sa mga katangahan mo, pero papayuhan ka din yan na huwag mo nang uulitin. Ang tunay na kaibigan, masaya para sa'yo kahit alam niyang may mali. Ayaw lang niyang sabihin kasi ayaw niyang sirain yung kaligayahan mo. Ang tunay na kaibigan, kahit gaano kalayo sa'yo, ramdam na ramdam pa rin niya ang problema mo. Iiyakan mo yan sa phone at makikinig lang yan. Hindi niyan sasabihin na tahan na kasi alam niyang kailangan mo umiyak. Kalog, gaga, pero gustong gusto mo pa din kasama. Ang tunay na kaibigan para sa akin ay ang taong nakikinig sa videong ito ngayon. Siya si April. Hi best friend. First of all, I want to greet you a happy birthday and I miss you so much. Kung nandyan lang ako, yayakapin kita ng super higpit at sasabihin ko sa'yo, happy birthday and I love you. Miss na kita ng sobra. Kaya lang, I'm far away, kaya dito na lang. Sorry sa lahat ng mga bagay na nagawa ko na nakasakit sa'yo. Pagpasensyahan mo na ako kung minsan kasi di ako nagpaparamdam or kahit na ano. Kaya alam mo naman ako, diba? Baliw. Anyways, at this moment, I want to hug you tight and tell you how much I love you. Sobra kitang mahal. Take care always at huwag mong pababayaan ang sarili mo. Sana kung magkaka-boyfriend ka man, ako yung unang makakaalam. Makausap mo sa akin yung lalaki, tapos mag-usap lang yun ng masinsinan. Pati na din ba sa kasal mo, tapos ako din may ginginang ng mga anak mo. O diba, demanding ang hari. Sa dinami-dami ng away at tampuhan natin, hindi ko lubos maisip na ikaw at ako ay magiging matalik na magkaibigan. Hindi man tayo sisters by blood, naniniwala naman ako na we are sisters by heart. And ano ba naman yan? Nag-record ako! At dahil birthday mo, may wish ako para sa'yo. Sana maging masaya ka sa araw mo at sana maging okay ka lagi. Kasi mahal kita. Thank you pala sa 4 years na friendship and I hope it will never ever end. Sana kahit saan man tayo mapunta both, we will remain the best of friends. Wag na wag mo akong iiwan ha. Thank you sa lahat ng pag-intindi mo sa mga kagagahan ko at thank you sa lahat ng pagkalinga mo sa mga panahong down na down ako. You are the best. Kaya love na love kita ng sobra. Happy birthday my dear and I hope okay ka lang palagi. Wag na wag mong pababayaan self mo and always pray to you. Sana magustuhan mo itong simple gift ko at sana napasaya kita ngayong birthday. I love you.
Tayo ay matanda na, sana'y di tayo magbago. Kailanman, nasaan may ito ang pangarap ko. Makuha mo pa kaya ako'y hagkan at yakapin. Hanggang pagtanda natin, nagtatanong lang sa'yo, ako pa kaya'y ibigin mo? Kung maputi na ang buko. Pagdating ng araw, ang iyong buhok ay puputi na rin. Sabay tayong mangangarap ng nakaraan sa atin. Ang nakalipas ay babalik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako ng pag-ibig ko'y laging sa'yo. Kahit maputi na ang nakalipas